In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently connect Trello with Jira using the Power-Ups feature. This simple integration can greatly improve your workflow, especially if you are managing projects and tracking tasks across both platforms. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged into your Trello account. If you aren't, take a moment to do that now by heading over to Trello's website and entering your credentials. Being logged in is crucial because you'll need access to your board to make these changes. Once you're on your Trello dashboard, navigate to the specific board where you want to enable this integration. This step is important because power-ups are enabled on a per-board basis, so choose the board where you will benefit most from the conjunction of Trello and Jira. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar of your Trello board. Look for the Power-Ups tab, which is the essential feature that allows you to enhance Trello's capabilities. Click on Power-Ups and a new window will open, showcasing all the different add-ons you can use with your Trello board. This is a treasure trove of features that can be integrated to make your Trello experience even more robust and tailored to your needs. In the Power-Ups window, you'll notice a button labeled Add Power-Ups. Clicking on this will take you to a marketplace of sorts, where you can search for the integration you want. In our case, we are looking to integrate with Jira, a powerful tool for project and issue tracking, beloved by many tech and project management teams. In the search bar, type Jira and hit enter. You should see the Jira Power-Up appear in the search results shortly thereafter. Now click on the Add button next to the Jira Power-Up. Trello will process this addition, and once it's done, the Jira Power-Up will be enabled on your selected board. It's really as straightforward as that. With this Power-Up, you can link Trello cards to Jira issues, creating a seamless experience between task management and project tracking. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected Trello with Jira, unlocking a more integrated way to manage projects that span these two versatile platforms. Remember, this integration isn't just about linking software. It's about enhancing your productivity by having the right tools at your disposal. As you start using this feature, you'll likely find the workflow between Trello and Jira to be much smoother, enabling you and your team to focus on what truly matters, getting the work done efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your project management a little bit easier. Happy organizing!